All right, so we made it to the house. Well, here's the damage. That was a big dang limb. Good thing we got some chainsaws. There's our power pole. Snapped in half.
Daddy, that looks like an actual tree. Just fell down.
Imagine it's the top of that tree right there.
A small tree.
Look, another big limb down there. It must have got stormy. There's a big limb down there now. Just missed. Oh, it did hit the well house a little bit. We got one dent in there and it pushed it over a little.
What the? Where's the dent?
Lights didn't break. That's nice.
Where's the dent?
On the top of the thing. Look at that. It broke in 2 places. Look at that. Shabow. Shebang. Look at that. All right. Well,
Yeah,
there's our job.
And it did hit the tiki torch a bit.
Mm-hmm.
I sort of could use this thing to stand up.
It's going to be fun. We're going to start today. All right. Well, you had the before, and here's the after. Thank God for good neighbors. My neighbor came over with his tractor. We cut that tree up, hauled it off in 30 minutes. And with his tractor, we pulled the old broken pole out of the ground, which would have been a hell of a job by hand. Tomorrow, we'll disassemble that, put our new pole in, call the electric company, get the line hooked back up, and also, yeah, we got to knock that dent out of the well house. There's a pretty good sized dent in that thing. But before and after, I guess we'll take a video of the pole up when we get done. Shit, he did put some concrete in there. There it comes. Wow, he did put some concrete in there, didn't he? Bye-bye.
All right.
That's good for now. Hold on. Oh, yeah. Dragging the pole. The long pole. That's right. Over here slaving my neighbors. Get to work, Compton. Chop, chop, boy. You're next, Roger. One of our little plum trees. That's another plum tree. That was doing good. There's the dam. Our little peach tree, barely hanging on. Barely hanging on. Boy, we used to call this a swamp, but it hasn't been the swamp in years. But it's the swamp today. Those are little banana trees. They ain't doing much. I don't think we're going to get any bananas this year. The swamp is definitely the swamp. Holy cow. It's filled up. Hi.
Look, that was
Uh-huh.
he walked it.
When he's got it now. Hey, Swamp. The pond is full. Definitely. And it's going down through the overflow. Nice. They're fishing. That's our overflow. Going down to the swamp, which is full. This is the dam. We're coming over the dam a little. Wow.
It's like this, red, and this blue.
Bubbles? What is that? Is that a bubble machine? Make some bubbles. I'm making a video. Yeah, yeah. Bubbles are good. What do you think, Aaron? Good? Thumbs up. Yay. What do y'all think about these goats? What do you think, Andy?
I just touched one's horn.
Yeah, it likes you. Pet it. Where's Aaron? Aaron?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you want to see the donkey? Let's see the donkey.
Look, this one has a big
Oh, here comes the donkey.
Oh, he's getting this scum on his phone again.
Thing sure is. I love that fountain, dude. I gotta get a fountain. There's Jack, the donkey. And there's all the goats. Look at all the goats.
Look, this one has a
Beautiful place. Oh, donkey, donkey.
Oh, that one's a bunch.
Pet the goat. Yes.
Oh, there.
Yes.
Oh,
Hi
there's
there.
the dog.
Pet it, Andy.
That one.
It's not gonna hurt you. It'll be all right.
Whoa.
Look, Jack came up. There's Jack.
Me, Jack.
Hey, Jack.
Me, Jack. Jack. Oh, what happened to the pony?
The pony got sold.
Why?
It's just too much trouble.
Is Jack a boy or a girl?
Jack's a boy.
Yeah, he's stopping his phone on the ground because let's go call him.
Where you at, Taney?
Look at the little baby one.
McKenna brought one over here the other day that's unreal how friendly it is.
Look at that little piglet! Oh my goodness! You see that, Andy? Over there. Tiny little one, so cute. Look at the pig nose.
They look so cute, but they're so stinky.
They pig. Oh, this is big.
No,
That's
don't get in there.
the black one.
What do you think about Jack?
Huh?
Be careful, be careful.
Did you shave
Stay to the front. Aaron,
Look at that baby.
Shave? No. They,
Oh,
they
that-
just shed his.
That's
Dad.
just the way he shaved,
Dad,
bro.
look at go look at the
cool.
baby pigs.
Aw,
Grab the
like a
baby
little
pig. Did you fill up one?
Well, you gotta undo your nose.
Look,
I
you had
did.
that
It's too
they wanted to
sticky.
sit
Look
on
at
it.
those little baby
to get
pigs
on
back
there.
there. They're
I
so
know,
many.
they're so cute.
And also look at Jack over there. Look.
Say, Jack.
Hi.
Look at Jack's over there. Look at Jack.
I know, I about bumped into him.
Sure.
Look at this. That's how it went down.